Those are sticky. Those are sticky, you guys. Ew. Okay, no choking. No choking on my watch.
Hi, I'm Cha-Cha. Are you ready for an adventure? Can't wait for you to be a part of my squad. Come on, let's go. I'm back. Cha-Cha-Cha flavor. Self-high-five. We got the Elves here today. But before we get started, make sure you share this video, subscribe, like, turn notifications so you never miss anything from Cha-Cha. So we got the elf pets. We can touch them, but we can't touch the elves. So we got our elf pets. Can you hold mine? What are we doing today, Cha-Cha? So we got this letter from the elves. And can you grab the book?
What does it say? Penny and Cha-Cha.
It's the season.
Here are the elves.
They're inside the Rice Krispies.
That's funny.
Penny and Cha-Cha, it's the season to be filled with joy and Christmas cheer. We've arranged a special event for you tonight, but it's a surprise.
So what's this special event?
Maybe making Rice Krispie treats? We left you both our favorite treat. Love, Sparkle, and Julie.
So we're gonna be making Christmas-inspired Rice Krispie treats. If you guys want to see what the special event and this big surprise is, go to the family channel to check it out.
Chubby Bunny?
Chubby bunny.
Let's see how many marshmallows. Okay, hang on.
No. They're a little sticky.
Those are sticky. Those are sticky, you guys. Ew. No choking on my watch.
4 cups of marshmallows.
Yeah.
Help me, Penny.
Okay, so we got the first cup.
Ooh.
Wait.
Okay,
It's
go
fine,
ahead.
it's fine. Second cup, second cup,
Second.
cup.
Yes.
Third.
Here's the third, and one more.
So the instructions are to mix.
Good. That's good, that's fine. Stop it.
So we're doing 4 cups of marshmallows for one of these.
No, 6 cups.
Oh. So just pour them in. Go for it. Perfect.
Perfect, and one more.
Great.
What are we doing?
And we're using chopsticks.
Stir, 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 stir. We're gonna be here for hours.
The butter. Ooh, yum.
Butter, butter, butter.
So yummy.
I never made from scratch. Never.
Rice Krispie treats.
Starting to heat up.
Yum.
I'm drawing.
Dryer.
Getting close.
You're almost there.
Looking good.
Now let it cook.
So what do we got now?
We're gonna do 6 cups of this.
What is it?
Christmas Rice Krispies.
And all of the marshmallow isn't mixed, so.
Okay, here we go. Bum, ba-da, bum.
And Kenny's gonna mix,
Good.
by the way.
It's a-
So we're hoping that this is the right amount.
Okay, it's good.
And we're really not sure, so
Okay.
perfect. And then we'll trim all these and when it cools down.
Okay, Cha-Cha Squad, we're gonna let this cool down, and then we're gonna cut them into the shapes.
Is it good?
I cut it.
We cut them.
Okay, I want some.
Oh my gosh, is it good? Tell me. Here, I'm gonna try a bite.
It's dessert.
They're good! Oh my gosh. are so good, you guys. Oh yeah, look at you over here bowing like you did something. Like he had, he played a role. He read the instructions.
Share this video, subscribe, like, and turn notifications so you never miss anything from Cha-Cha.
And don't forget
to join our Roblox group so you can be.
yeah, that too. Shameless plug.
Don't forget to go to our family YouTube to see what the big surprise is. And join our Roblox group.
Team Shen, Katie, Ken Dog, Chaba. Bye.
Bye. Okay, what's going on here? There's a lot going on here.
What?
One more.
I'm trying to preserve. We're not taking all this, but we're taking some.
Perfect.
Taking where?
Yum.
Taking it where?